Hello and welcome to another video from
Oli Pops.
Special day today.
Yeah, very special.
Very special. Ollie has finally come through and he's purchased his new motorbike.
I have indeed.
It is behind these closed doors. But we're not going to open the doors now.
Nope.
Stay tuned. What's going to happen? Ollie is going to ride up to me on our hill. We will hear him coming and then we will have the great reveal. Just while we wait then, a huge shout out once again to Mr. Michael Wade. He's one of our regular viewers. He has suggested Ollie might have purchased a KTM Duke 390, CRF 300L for the green laning experiences around here, or a Kawasaki Ninja 400.
All good guesses.
All good guesses.
Very good guesses. I'm not sure he's right, but he might be.
We'll
Stay
see.
tuned.
So any second now we should see Ollie approaching on his new motorcycle. We can certainly hear him. And here he comes. What have we got? What have we got there?
We've got a stunner. Oh,
We got a stunner.
it is lovely.
Let's have a quick look round. Oh, very, very nice. Yeah. So that's the Yamaha SXR 700.
Lovely Yamaha.
Let's have a look at that smile.
It's a big smile today.
A big smile from Ollie today.
Biggest one you're going to get, I think.
Oh, what fun, what adventures.
Oh, yeah.
He's still smiling.
Oh, yeah, I am.
Right, so your first impressions on this new motorcycle?
I love it.
He loves
I love
it.
It's absolutely brilliant. Lovely sound, lovely looking thing. Perfect for me, I think.
And when I rode it the other day, I have to concur. I thought it was wonderful.
You said it was the best out of all the bikes you've ever owned, didn't you? I think you said that.
Well, I did say it comes
You
close.
did. You said it's actually better than every bike you've owned.
I
so
don't know that I did say that, but I did say it did hurt my ears after a
It
while.
does hurt your ears after a while.
So Ollie's going to need to put some plugs in.
I will have to put some plugs.
Oh, but look at it, it's gorgeous.
Oh.
Oh, we're fawning. We are fawning all over it.
Almost as good looking as you, Father. Almost.
Get lost. It's the. I said Kenny Rogers, didn't I, the other day?
You said Kenny Rogers, I think.
It's Kenny Roberts livery, yes, of course.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
But
car cam.
fantastic.
And away we go. Oh, it's nice. It sounds good, baby. It didn't look too bad either. Oh, it brings tears to my eyes. Oh, it's nice. Nice day for it. Oh, this is good. It sounds so lovely as well. Probably my favourite bike, my favourite sounding bike, that's for sure. The sound on camera is never as good in person, but oh my god, it's brilliant. Oh, we got some nice twisties to do as well. Oh, it's good fun. Nice little day today as well, day off. What could go wrong? Well, don't say that, Ollie. Something could go wrong. Well, at least people know I'm coming. Don't be too loud, I might annoy them. Come on then. He likes the bike, look at him, checking it out. Oh. Let's wait for that traffic to go a little bit. I'll catch him up too quickly otherwise. Let's go. Oh, not much commentary because I'm just sort of mesmerised by the sound and the look of the thing. But I've tried my best. Oh. Let's go. He likes it. They all like my bike. Sorry Pops, I think I've got a better bike than you. Yes! Oh horse, we've got to be very slow here now. Way to kill the fun, horsey. But we've got to be respectful because I don't want the woman to fall off the horse. And here we are.
So we're saying goodbye to Oli now as he shoots off around the hill. See you later. Happy days for all. Well, this means we can really get going with our channel. Tara's just walked out of the frame. This means we can really get going with our channel again, because it has been frustrating Oli not having a motorcycle. So he's made up. I've ridden it. It's brilliant. So let the adventures begin. See you later.